Good morning, Aristotle class. So before we start our discussion for today, let us call Miss Alexa to lead us a prayer. Amen. Thank you, Miss Alexa. So now, before you take your seats, kindly pick up those litters around you and please arrange your chairs accordingly. Alright, thank you so much. You may now take your seats. So for our class attendance, I would like to call Miss Janica. Miss Janica, kindly monitor your class attendance. Alright, thank you so much, Miss Janica. Okay, class, are you all familiar with Pinoy Big Brother? Alright, that's good. So actually, they've sent us a letter. Mr. Marco, please read their invitation. Okay, thank you so much, Sir Marco. So, is there any question about our activity for today? Okay, I guess none so far. So, let me first read to you our lesson objective. First is that cultivate and verify triangle inequality theorem through investigations. Second, discover inequality relations between measures at angles and lengths of sides in one triangle. Third, apply triangle inequality theorems on designing and constructing a truss bridge model. And fourth, develop personal accountability and interdependence during group activity. So together, let us meet those objectives. So our previous discussion, triangle inequality referring to what? Okay, Mr. Sandro. Okay, Mr. Sandro. Okay, very good, Mr. Sandro. So to understand the concepts of each different triangle inequality theorems, PPP wants you to investigate the following activities in pairs. So PPP sent us another letter. So kindly read, Mr. Jason. Alright, thank you, Sir Jason. So in order to get the first clue, we need to investigate another problem. So, may partner na ba ang lahat? Okay, are you ready? So, let's do this. So, this will be your task. So, kindly read. Oh, yes, Joel. Thank you, Joel. So, is there any questions? Okay, so you may start together working. So, time's up. So, are you done? Who wants to share their answers? Volunteers? Oh, yes, Ma'am Jasmine and Ma'am Mary. Very good. So you got the right conjecture for triangle inequality theorem 1. So theorem 1 states that if one side of a triangle is larger than the second side, then the angle opposite that side is larger than the angle opposite the second side. So is everything clear? So we have another problem. Will you please read? Yes, Karen. So thank you, Karen. Okay, are you ready? You may begin. Time's up. So are you done? So kindly share your answers. Yes, Anna and Angelica. Thank you so much. So here's the task 3. Will you please read? Yes, Cherry. Alright, thank you, Miss Cherry. So, are you now ready? So, okay, you may begin. Time's up. So, Theorem 2 states that if one angle is larger than the second side angle, then the side opposite that angle is larger than the side opposite of the second angle. So, can you follow? So, is the Theorem 2 clear? So, okay, for the last investigation, kindly read Miss Janice. Thank you, Miss Janice. So, you may start working. Time's up. So, the Theorem 3 states that the sum of any two sides of a triangle is always larger than the third side. So, class, did you understand our lesson for today? So, do you have any clarifications or any questions? I think none so far. So, very good. I think everyone understand and enjoy the task. So, hence, there is no question. I will be the one to question. So, what do the triangle inequality theory state? Yes, Lorena. Okay, thank you so much, Lorena. So let's move on to our evaluation. So kindly answer this in a 1/2 sheet of paper. Alright, time's up. Thank you. Okay, kindly pass your papers in front and I'll be checking your works later. So before we leave this classroom, how can you relate the relationship of lengths and angles to your life as a student? Anyone? Oh yes, Mr. JM. Oh, that's so interesting. How about others? Oh yes, Ma'am Sheila. Oh, that's a very, very bright idea. So it wasn't an ordinary day. So truly mathematics is engaging. Students were all amazing. So that would be all. Thank you. Class dismissed. See you tomorrow.